What's coming?
That train has the best coaches.
That train has the best coaches?
No, the best coach.
Oh, you think it has the express?
Yeah. Down way it's called the best thing.
Is that why it's called an express train?
It has wheels.
The train has wheels?
Mm-hmm. Yes. The two decks.
Where's the train, Christopher?
It's right there.
Do you see it?
Right there, it's coming.
Hold on.
I can see it.
You can see it. Do you see the light?
Yes, I can see the smoke and the light.
You can see the smoke and the light?
It's going down this the best line.
It's going faster and faster down the express line?
Yeah. I'm gonna is the best. Daddy. Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Here comes the day.
It's getting closer.
And closer and closer. I can see the light over here.
That's right.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Daddy.
Do you hear it? Oh, it's loud, isn't it? Christopher, it's a train!
It's coming there with the red light. It's coming there with the red light.
It's going straight for the red light. That's right.
Daddy, just go on.
There it is.
It stopped.
It stopped. And all the people are getting on and off.
Daddy.
Yeah? That's right.
But after the thing, the other thing coming.
There is in a few minutes.
I can hear the thing.
You can hear the other train?
Yeah,
Oh, I don't think so. Not yet.
but it's coming.
It is. Oh. The train's gonna leave soon.
Daddy,
Where are you going?
Daddy,
Let's watch the train go away.
I don't want to see the other thing. Daddy.
Oh, the other train's not coming yet, Monkey. We got a few minutes still.
What is Daddy? What? I don't Daddy. Here it comes.
You hear another train coming?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Oh no, the other train's not here yet.
Come.
I'm right here. Oh, the train's gonna go now. Say bye-bye, train. Bye. Oh, we don't want to go in there.